In this video, I want to show you how to fully set up for the first time your Amazon Echo Show 8. This is the version that came out in 2025, so it's the most recent one. Let's get started. I'll go step by step through all the screens. So by default, once you power on the device, once you plug it in the wall outlet, you're going to get this screen appearing. So go ahead and select your language. I'll select English, Canada. Press continue. Now you have two different choices to link this device to your Amazon account. The first thing you can try is to use this QR code to scan it with your phone and to go through your smartphone and sign in. Or you can do it directly on this device. This is what I will do by clicking continue on the device. Now it will search for a Wi-Fi network. Okay, you're gonna get a list, select your Wi-Fi network and type the password. Press done, connect, and now wait a few seconds. On the next screen, it will ask you to sign in manually into your Amazon account. So type the email address associated and the password. Once you have typed everything, go ahead and type sign in. Next step, you need to verify the device. You'll need to go to www.amazon.com/code. So it should look like this once you go on that website and simply type the code that you're seeing on the display over here. Then it will confirm the device name. So Echo Show 8, 4th gen. Yep, this is what we have. So I'll press connect. And you're going to get this green check mark. And the setup will continue on your Echo Show 8. Now it's checking for any updates available. Just let it do its thing. If there is an update that needs to be installed, it will do it. If not, you're gonna get this screen. Press agree and continue. Over here, it will give you a time zone. If you're not in this region or even on this time zone that is written over here, go ahead and click change and select yours. In my case, this is the correct one, so I'll click continue. Select at which address, at which location this Echo Show 8 will be located. So you're gonna have your Amazon addresses that you have entered previously when you created your account. Select the one and press continue. Now select where you're gonna place this device in your house and press continue. Now this is the name of the device, but you can edit it in case you want to make something that it's a bit easier to remember. Press continue. This device can display the pictures that you have stored in your Amazon photo account. So they can rotate on a slideshow on the display when it's not in use. If you want this feature, you can click setup and you'll be able to select pictures and go through them. If you're not going to use this feature, if you don't want, or maybe you don't even have pictures in an Amazon photo account, simply select later. Now you have two choices. Do you want to enroll in Alexa Plus or do you want to stay with the regular Alexa? You probably don't even know what Alexa Plus is. And for this, I won't describe it in this video because I can take probably 15-20 minutes just to talk about it. There's many documentation online. Obviously, it's an upgrade, but in some different ways, it's a downgrade. And some people prefer the regular Alexa that they got used to. So if you don't want Alexa Plus, simply go down and select skip for now. You will be able to upgrade in the future. It's not a decision you need to make right now. So that's why I have selected skip now. If you want to set up different profiles for different family members, you can select set up a profile and everyone will have their own profile. If you don't want, if you're going to be the only user of this device, or maybe you don't care about this feature, you can click on later. If a child will be the main person using the Alexa, select enable to enable child device. If you're an adult, well, press no thanks. And here it will simply teach you a few basic things. So how to get around, you can click get started and it's a small tutorial step by step, just like the way I'm talking right now, that will show you how to navigate. And you have other options over here. If you want to access the main menu and start using your device, simply close this, and here we go. We are on the main page, the main screen of your Amazon Echo Show 8. You can go ahead and use it. Every time you want to access some features, you can drag down from the top of the screen, and you're going to have the brightness, if you want the camera to be turned on or off, and other stuff like that. If you want to access more settings, simply click the settings button over here, and you're going to have many more. So this is it. I hope my video was helpful. If so, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.